everyone, my name is Sanjana. I'm the co-founder and executive director of Earth Hacks, an organization that focuses on environmental hackathons and centering environmental justice in the tech space. We do this because climate change is perhaps the singular most pressing, time-sensitive problem we have ever faced as a species, and the environmental problems caused by it are everyone's problems. In some way, shape, or form, they're going to affect everyone. Nothing is going to matter if we don't have a livable planet for it to matter on, so in order to secure a livable future, we really need to rapidly transform virtually every aspect of our modern society, ranging from education and transportation to agriculture and energy. The digital space is a huge part of that, both in terms of the digital sustainability footprint and also in terms of using the digital world as a tool for education and change.